Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today to share with you the October 2023 Sew Sampler Box from Fat Quarter Shop. And I also have a quilt to show you that my friend Nancy made using my Jelly Roll Sampler pattern. I made my original quilt in Strawberry Lemonade, but she just finished her gorgeous version in Bountiful Blooms, and I can't wait to give you an up-close look at it. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'll show you the quilt, and then we'll go through this month's Sew Sampler Box. Okay, first I'm just going to give you a little look at this quilt that my friend Nancy finished. She used my Jelly Roll Sampler pattern, which we filmed a whole video on that. I made my version in our Strawberry Lemonade collection, and it is a 16 block sampler that every single block can be made using a jelly roll or a layer cake actually. But I just wanted to give you a quick little view of Nancy's quilt. She does such beautiful work, and she used our Bountiful Blooms collection and put it together so beautifully. I love the colors that she chose for her little 4 patches. I love how she added the pink in there with the green, and just wanted to just give you a little bit of an up-close look. Val Krieger did the custom quilting on this one, and I'm actually going to bind it for Nancy. She actually even had the binding already, so just to kind of show you, this will be a perfect binding the plaid with the green floral. So anyway, just wanted to share this with you. The Bountiful Blooms collection is in the stores right now, and so I know a lot of you might have bought the Jelly Roll Sampler pattern, but maybe you don't want to wait until Strawberry Lemonade's available in January. So just wanted to show this, and I'll have some pictures that I'll take of it as well. Okay, let's dive right into the October Sew Sampler box, and really excited about this box. All you need is love, and I did actually figure out what fabric collection this was from the box. I've been missing them for a few months in a row, I think, but this one I got probably just because I knew that since it's October, it is the Stitch Pink month for Moda, and that Stitch Pink sew along is going on right now with Camille Roskelly's Lighthearted collection. So that's what my guess was, and that is indeed what was in the box. And you get 3 charm packs of Lighthearted in this box, and that's a lot of fabric. I was really excited that there was so much in there. This is the little card. A zipper pull, which I can't wait to put on one of my bags, and this is by Camille Roskelly, and it's just a little rainbow in the same color way as the Lighthearted fabric. I'll flip through the fabric in just a second, but and I believe this is an exclusive zipper pull too, so only available in the Sew Sampler box. There is also a darling, you might remember a couple boxes ago there was a zipper pouch where they sent you just kind of the kit and you sew on the lines and quilt as you go, and this is the same thing. It's another June Taylor, but this one is for a tote, and it actually uses these fabrics. So I think you just need 50 to 60 charm squares. So, and there are 42 in one of these charm packs, so you would need to use a little bit from the other one of the other charm packs, or you could add in some fabrics from your stash too, because there's another project in the box that you can also use with the Lighthearted charm packs. So, and that is a pattern by my friend Lisa Alexander, and it's called Heart and Soul, and this pattern uses the full 3 Lighthearted charm packs. So if you want to make this quilt that's included, you would need to use all 3 of these. So you would have to get 50 to 60 additional charm squares to do that. But really a fun, you can see it's kind of like a pixelated heart, really cute. And there are it finishes at 50 by 50. So just a really fun lap size. You could even use it as a baby quilt. I think it's really adorable. Okay, these are the instructions for the charm tote. And then, as usual, there is the pressed flowers block. This is block number 7 this month. And then finally, this one I wasn't quite sure what it was. I had to actually look it up, but this is a 1/4 inch seam gauge. And so it's manufactured by Dritz, and it is so that you can put it on your sewing machine and move your needle so that you can be sure that you are sewing the perfect 1/4 inch seam. And there's a little 1/4 inch, and then 1/2 inch, 3/8 and 5/8 also. So if you're using any of those other sizes, you've also got the markings for that. So thought that was a really nifty tool. I find that that's one of the biggest issues for students when they first start quilting, is getting that 1/4 inch seam down to perfection. And I just do want to just kind of flip through this fabric too. There were so many fun things to talk about, but I do want to flip through. I've actually already made a project with this as well, and that I did for the Stitch Pink sew along. And it's just a fun collection to work with. So some lights, and it's kind of like a mossy green. So there's a few different greens. And then there are this really fun light aqua color in several different prints. So you're getting the full collection in the charm pack. So, you know, sometimes you just get a junior jelly roll or a junior version of a Jolly Bar, but no, this is the full collection. And then the pinks are just beautiful with the reds and the aquas, and kind of a darker coral, and then into the red. And yes, it really is just a gorgeous, gorgeous collection. And actually, maybe just so you can get a little bit of a better look at it, let me show you the project that I actually made with it. Okay, and so like I said, this kind of gives you an idea, just looking at it right close, how the fabrics in this collection all work together. And this was a little project that I did. A lot of different Moda designers did a little project just to kind of go along with the Stitch Pink 2023 sew along. And this is what I did. I will have a free pattern for this on my website coming soon. I just don't have it ready yet. I've been getting ready for Quilt Market, so this will be coming after I get back, so watch for that on the blog. But you could also just use this as a little table mat, or even put a border around it and use it as a placemat. But I did a pillow, and I actually used our Simply Delightful fabric for the back. The pinks in that actually worked really well with this fabric. So anyway, that is the October 2023 Sew Sampler Box from Fat Quarter Shop. Okay, so that's it for the Fat Quarter Shop October 2023 Sew Sampler Box. Another wonderful box with lots of fabric, as you saw. And again, I will be having that free pattern available sometime in the next week or so, that for the little project that I showed you that I made with the fabric that's in the box. And we'll have that up on the blog as soon as we can. And if you enjoyed today's video, please share it with a friend, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for stopping by.